I was just mentioned. No voice.
Will I make it back over the wall? Here we go.
You are finally here, Brother Slayer. Spawn Killer.
When you go through the door, there's the voice line, and if you don't hit the voice line when you oob, you soft lock the red.
Could be so much more. All you need do is wish it. Come. I would quite like to meet you.
And then I'm the brace on.
Save that one thrall.
Okay.
Where'd he go?
I don't know. I went over there. He went kind of by me, I think.
Yeah, whatever.
Double radiant goes hard.
And we actually do that. Extra ignition makes the golden gun chunk a little more. You can stop. Just give her a little. Where is she going?
I love when that happens so much.
What the fuck?
Weapon. Glory.
I've never seen that.
Peace.
Yeah, that happens like
Or is it
that happens like pretty often, especially in
have
random
my
LFGs
thanks,
where people just like
Guardians.
don't shoot the
But
boss
my
after
sister remains
like we say
enthralled
stop. It
without
happens so
Shiraj.
much.
We cannot defeat Riven.
Just decided to go on a
Find
journey.
her, save her, and
Yeah.
know this: Riven will try to seduce you when
I
she
missed my loadout.
speaks. Do not listen.
I missed my own chain line.
I'm down.
That's not what I wanted. That is.
Just didn't shoot my second shot. That's cool.
I love igniting her. Right there.
Yeah. Shot the wrong swan. It's okay though, surely. Good recovery. I'll go.
Alright, I will actually goalie here this time.
Oh.
Here, before you throw your nade, let's stack double.
Oh,
Oh,
about
too late.
that. I'm like completely like lost.
I can't do mid. I got like
Oh.
weird plates. It's okay. It's not even part of the puzzle.
I got body blocked.
That's my bad.
Nah. It was not.
Wait, I have an idea. I'm either is gonna kill me. That's gonna kill me.
Too low.
I wanted to
I'm
time my
getting
gunpowder gamble with the shield going down for an instant debuff.
I don't think Gamble procs debuff.
Does it not?
No, I don't think so.
It
I'm pretty sure I tried.
stuns Callie so she doesn't like boop you, and when I was doing solo Callie, I just figured it applied the buff. Maybe that's why I couldn't get the no door. I kept on thinking that was applying the debuff.
Yeah, because I'm pretty sure it doesn't apply debuff. Because I mean, maybe it's goofy with Riven, but like, it wasn't applying it on Riven whenever I did Riven stuff. Whenever it was first around, maybe I was like, not thinking of it right, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't here. I'll throw a gamble here, just don't knife. So just tell me if that debuff, so I switch to.
Don't actually go there. I don't think I'm gonna kill it.
Oh, about that. Yeah, that didn't debuff.
All right, just save
So
Slug
it
for
doesn't.
last. There's stack double.
Oh.
Okay, I just didn't get double, whatever. I'm lost.
I'm literally 0 health.
Ghost phalanx in 2 seconds. Oh, I must have killed him already.
Oh, the blade did the thing. Oh, well, there goes both
Actually,
of my
no, I get my goldie
abilities
back. I got my goldie back. We're fine.
Okay. Next. I almost just walked off the edge.
Been there. Yup. Kind of a fake stat. As Isaiah said in Super Smash Bros. Melee, just don't get hit. Resilience?
What? No.
No. Too late. So on the 3rd floor, it's tied to her TP forward, so it's just the kills that really make it much faster. If you leave all of the ads, then she won't TP. But if you just leave some of them, you should be fine.
You sully the sacred architecture of a culture you cannot understand. All so you can say you won today.
Oh,
You
that was the wrong
saved
button.
my sister. Thank you. Ahamkara feed on desire.
I would build
Your
a snowman with you
desires
if I was
could
near
feed
you.
A nation of such beasts. They would grow till they shadowed the sun. Kill it. Rip out its heart.
Come up with that ass, boy.
Bring it to us. We will purify it. Only then will Riven be contained.
That's why tractor roll is the hard roll of Wish, because you have to keep up with the people who don't
You
swap.
have stolen from them more than they
But
could
granted, in like
ever
anything
take from
else,
you.
this is probably not true.
You are destined to fight forever.
All the way up to
Yeah.
If we were doing this super speedy, it would be quite taxing. I believe in you. If remote logging could be super speedy, you could be super speedy. There you go. It all starts somewhere. I'm 20. Is that 15 years exactly? That'd be pretty funny. Okay. You got the wipe debuff. Good.
Oh, so we did a little bit of a goofy again. It's okay though, so I like found out about it this time.
Start heading by where that spot was last time, and just you can place your well in once we group around. You can place. And then you gotta be like pretty damn close to him to place to track you. He's purple.
I'm actually in the well technically. There we go. Oh.
No.
You
If we could duo star Vault, that'd be
into the deep.
huge.
Your kind is so brave. Those with
If we could
conviction
duo start
and
Vault,
best
that'd
with
be
my
insane.
hand.
Okay.
Like you.
My bad, Chedder.
I just got
Like
sent into
the
the wall.
Woken Prince.
Took a bite out of it while I was
Shall we
there.
be friends?
It's fine, I got you. The scribe strats.
You're so close, friend. Find me. Kill me. My heart is yours.
Chedder, I'll run first. You run second. Actually, wait. You run first, I'll run second, despawn, and then run third.
Okay.
Hi, Raya.
Hey man, are we running today?
Is P cancel?
You want me to go kills?
Just hang out on tree, and then, like, you could stand, like, over in the back over here. Look at the symbols.
N.
Boring. SP, and what did Ripper is RA? SP, RA, what's you?
N.
Okay, SP.
What's you is
My
a
game
crazy
keeps
call
tabbing
out.
out. I can't build the snowman, it's too close.
I will come.
It's too
I will
close to
come
the wall.
build it.
You gotta move back a little bit. I can't get at it. Oh wait. Hold on, I don't want to wipe.
Alright, the thing's up, Thorn. Oh, okay, yeah.
Fucking beautiful. Just start clearing rock and leave it open.
Okay.
Dude, why does Hunter Blake take so long to come back?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm just gonna run arc the whole time, fuck it. No! Can you kill? That shit's fine, I got it.
I was building a snowman.
Build another snowman.
I'm building, don't worry. Yeah. Alright, you got spawn.
Like you
That's
said
fine.
it, and then he came running out.
Could I get a Galahorny?
I forgot I forgot that's like probably a good idea.
Oh, Pill, you have to get on the mid plate again so we could read.
And
Fish left, fire left. SPRA. What do you say, pan?
Yeah, pen. Oh, I should like probably run that. Rock Knight.
Maybe by speed boosting. Come on. Let's go up.
Hmm? Yeah. Alright, we have some time. We have snowman time now.
Watch knights, because I'm going over.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? I can't be
There's
bothered to do
snowman
this.
knights at this point. We might get a full snowman.
Beautiful.
There we go.
Okay, well, I'm gonna try and boop it with one shot. Or two shots. Alright. What's open? Rock, right?
Rocks. Yeah.
Green knight. Okay, Pill. Unfortunately, you have to stop building a snowman for a second. It's time for the plate again.
Big one.
8 and fish up.
Ant.
Okay, RP.
I just got literally nothing. Like I just shot it to shoot it.
Planet is open.
Oh, this knight is teleporting. Sure.
Just override the time.
No problem. Yeah, yeah. That knight is not on the blade, but it's okay. This knight is okay.
That's not what I wanted. Can you kill? I like have nothing.
Yeah. Did it?
That didn't kill it. That did kill it. That did kill it. Oh! Oh! What's up?
Wait,
It's
what?
there.
Huh? Rock. What was? What?
He had a shield up.
Oh. We're not talking about that.
Don't worry, I got the water skidding coming.
Yeah. I went way too far because I tried to look back.
Right. Huge. I hit it. I hit it on the second try. Bill, you still have a wall, right? Okay, cool.
Oh, huge.
No.
Nope.
We shall tell you. Come, follow us, and then sit with Chedder. It's to the big blue door over here. That would just be too free. We gotta go for the dual kill.
Just sit over here and don't join allies just yet.
Here.
Cool.
It's a pill. There's a chance that you may kill ads with the well. So, to forgo that, there's a special place you're gonna put it. So, when it's time, you're gonna put the well right here, behind the wall, so that your head, like, you see how my head isn't, like, above the box? It's gonna be, like, right around there.
Oh, we have a well too this time, so I want that to corrosive aura. Let's go.
True. Alright, place your wall now. And then tractor the foot. Just spam a couple tractor shots at it.
You need ads here? I know. Want the essence.
Yeah, I'm running with fucking Solar. I can't be bothered to skate. I would have saved GL for him.
Okay. Yeah, I do as well. It's fine.
Yep.
Yes, you can. And the problem.
Really funny. Those like big debuts. He doesn't think he tries to fight food.
That would be really fucking funny, you are, right? Here for one thing. That's basically what Walk is still in Wish for. It's just for the Ascendant play. That would be beautiful. It'd be social commentary. I'm gonna sword late, so you go first.
Okay. I was also gonna sword late.
We stop that bleeding quick for you, Pill. Can't have you bleeding out on us.
I also threw a healing nade on him, so just, you know,
I've
just to be
waited
safe.
so long to fulfill one last wish.
Don't place a flag just yet.
Fetch the heart. Hurry.
Okay. Three, two, one, go.
I believe.
Alright, we going on one or go?
We'll figure that out after, you know, enough times.
Three, two, one. I want to hit you so bad. You know what?
Down. Maybe.
You're just gonna have to reset when it's time. That's picking up the blight when you're inside the heart. 3, 2, 1, go. Which
And
one
you have to
should be
like
good?
chill in the heart without killing anything. It might be tough.
It's like after you pick up there shouldn't be too many ads after the first one. So you could just like hop up on a pillar, and once you hop up on a pillar, you can place your well. It won't kill ads, and you could just chill there. Yep, exactly. Try and get as high mobility as you can for now, by the way, while we're doing this. 3, 2, 1. Okay, surely this is the one.
Surely, surely. I think my mobile just makes me fall faster than you.
That's not mobile, it's frames.
My mobile, don't worry.
You're also going like a second before me.
My mobile, don't worry.
Wait, that would have attacked. I could have hit you with that. 3, 2, 1, go. Is it one? Is it time? I think it's time.
Yup.
Let's
it's
go.
time.
I was like insanely bad RNG now.
Sick. Alright, never stop running. You remember where to go when you're outside, right? Yeah. So like when you're coming off the mouth, don't go off the tongue. Kind of like walk this way, like through this, and then like right here preferably. Don't go close to this and be Deska. This is how Deska threw. Don't be Deska. I believe you won't. Alright, I'm good when you are. No, you can just pick up. Run, 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 run.
One guy.
I don't.
Oh.
That's fine, we're clear. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your call.
Yeah, we skip.
Okay.
Oh, I got physics. That's fine.
Alright, good job, Bill. We're done.
Yup, GG's.
No, no, no.
Nope. Oh, I'm very glad this is a flaw. That drop was goofy.
Alright, just run away from the heart because you can die there.
Oh, and that's also
Can you actually die there?
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Yippee! World's first 0-kill trio Flaw Wish.
It is done. We will meet you on the other side.
I thought they'd
I'm starting to
never
feel like
leave.
that already, but
You and I are not done. We're inseparable now.
We almost did last time, but we don't talk about what happened. It's okay.
That's gonna be great.